Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to remove payment method from Foodpanda. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have, and download the Foodpanda application. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log in or register to Foodpanda. And guys, then what you need to do is go and check out what we have in front of us. In the top left corner, we have the address and we have the search bar. And also in the bottom of the screen, we have 4 tabs. We have the home screen, we have shops, search, and the account. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and remove payment method from Foodpanda. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go and click on out of all of these 4 tabs. You need to go and click on the account tab, which is the 4th one down here. Click on the account tab. Then as you can see, we have a lot of options. But underneath the orders, favorites, and addresses, we can see that we have cashback and payment methods. What we need to do is click there. And now when it loads, guys, when you have your payment method here, it will be here. What you just need to do when you see it, you just need to go and click on the remove button. At the moment, my bank is not working, so that's why I can't see it, but be sure that it will be here. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.